Hey you guys, it's Michelle from Stitch and Hustle blog. I'm so excited for today's tutorial because I'm going to be showing you my method for closing your brim up beanies. I include a diagram and written instructions on how I close my brim up beanies in any of my beanie patterns that are brim up. And it's a little bit different than just going around and pulling it like a laundry bag closed, cinched tight. So today I'm going to show you. My method creates this really cool little mushroom top shape, which is great for beanies, but it's also great because it works for all weight beanies. Medium weight, super chunky weight, super fine cashmere weight. They all close up amazingly awesome. And it's great because you get a point of center for that pom-pom. So here we go. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to close up the peak of your brim to peak crochet beanie. My brim to peak crochet beanie patterns all come with this chart, which shows you how to close your brim up beanie with my star method. It shows you where to take the yarn, and I always start with at least one, sometimes two decrease rounds. That's because I want to start the shaping before I pull the top. To use my method, you're just going to need a darning needle. I love this needle. The fine folks at Clover sent it to me. It's awesome, it's durable, it's thick, it's fabulous. I went out and bought a few more. I loved it so much. So once you've fastened off your last stitch, you want to thread your needle. I suggest leaving a tail of about 10 inches because that will let you weave in and out according to my chart. You're going to then get to the top, and following the diagram, you're going to make a star simulated pattern. So you're just going to go across and pick up the hat as such, creating a simulated kind of a star. And then you're going to want to pull that shut. And as you'll see, that gives you five little peaks pointing out. So then you're going to take your tail again and pick up those 5 points, always returning to center. So now I'm going to go back into the center and pick up point number 1, come back across the center, picking up point number 2, come back across the center for point number 3, coming back across the center to point number 4, and then finally coming back through the center one last time to point number 5. And then after the last one, you just take the tail and push it straight down through the center into the hat and give it a good pull through tug. Then you'll see you've closed your beanie. You've got a beautiful shape, and there you go. And then you just weave in the end in the center on the inside once you've done that. And that's how we close our brim to peak beanies. So that's it. Now you know how to close your brim up beanies. And if you're going to add a pom-pom, you just want to stick it right in the middle of your star. And you will be all set. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Go ahead and like or leave a comment below if there's something that you want us to do a tutorial on. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a stitch from Stitch and Hustle. Keep your stitches on.